sweet, creamy, and 100% dairy-free is. This coconut caramel macchiato will change your coffee game. Hey coffee lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a coconut caramel macchiato, a dairy-free twist on a classic favorite that's sweet, creamy, and full of tropical flavor. With smooth espresso, rich caramel, and luscious coconut milk, this drink is perfect for anyone looking for a delicious plant-based treat. Get ready to sip on something truly special. Let's get started. Ingredients. For this recipe, you'll need 1 cup coconut milk, barista-style or full fat for creaminess, 1 shot of espresso or do-up strong brewed coffee, 1 to 2 tablespoons dairy-free caramel sauce, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and a little sweetener of your choice if needed. Directions: start by heating the coconut milk in a small saucepan over medium heat until hot but not boiling. If you have a milk frother, froth the coconut milk until it becomes light and creamy. Coconut milk creates a beautiful, slightly airy foam that pairs perfectly with espresso. Next, pour the caramel sauce into your mug and drizzle a little along the inside of the glass for that classic cafe look. Add the vanilla extract, then pour in the hot coconut milk, holding back some foam. Slowly pour the espresso over the milk to create that signature layered macchiato effect. Spoon the remaining foam on top, then drizzle extra caramel over the surface for a sweet finish. Give it a gentle stir before sipping, or enjoy the layered flavors as they blend naturally. This coconut caramel macchiato is smooth, slightly sweet, and packed with cozy, tropical vibes in every sip. And that's your coconut caramel macchiato, creamy, dreamy, and completely dairy-free. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your coffee crew. It's perfect for mornings or a sweet afternoon pick-me-up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next cozy and delicious coffee recipe. Happy sipping, friends! Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinural.com, 3coffeelover.